Welcome back to another session with me, Monica. Today we are on a beautiful beach on the North Shore. And you're going to start with the self on the front of the mat. Bring your arms up over the head, tucking the hips forward, looking back just a little bit, and coming straight down. You're going to halfway lift on your inhale, and exhale, come down. And once again, lift up and come back down. You're going to shift over to the left side. Do your first twist, and then to the next side, just noticing where you feel tightness in your body, and back to center, halfway lift, come on all the way down. This time try to pedal out your feet here. Once again, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And notice where you are you inside or outside, and what do you hear? I hear the ocean, some birds, and sometimes some chatter from people walking by. And inhale, halfway lift, exhale, back down, and bringing your legs into a plank, bringing yourself down to the chaturanga, lifting up to an up dog, curling the toes into your first down dog, pedaling the feet, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth, in through the nose and out through the mouth. And while you're here, try to set an intention. What is it that you want to work on this week? What is it that you want to do more of or less of? Take 3 rounds of breath at your own pace while thinking about your intention. Now you're just going to drop your knees down, coming down to a child's pose, keeping the toes curled in the back. That way you feel a stretch. Resting your head on your forehead, on the ground. Inhale through the nose, exhale out. Each time you exhale, try to bring your hands up higher to the mat. And as you do that, you're going to slowly just shift your body weight forward into a puppy pose. So making sure your hips are up high, your chin is resting on the ground, and allowing the heart to sink in to the ground. I'm just going to shift your weight up into a dolphin pose. Make sure all of your weights are on your forearms and on your elbows. Lifting the buttock up, coming back down into the child's pose. And we're going to repeat this one more time. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Each time you exhale, bring your hands forward to the front of the mat. Extend yourself and get ready. Let's push your body weight forward into the puppy pose. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Allow the heart to sink closer to the ground. And then lift yourself up to the dolphin. Pedaling the feet. Dropping the knees. And this time sitting onto your legs. You're going to bring yourself in and out, just like cat-cows, in and out, in and out. And hold, and hold the opposite way. Then sit back, extending your legs out, pedaling out the legs. This time you're going to bring your left leg forward, and we're going to do a twist. And each time you do a twist, we're going to try to twist a bit more to the left. So inhale, raise the chest, exhale, twist. Inhale and twist. Don't force it. Just let it be with wherever you are. The most important is allowing your body to feel comfortable and relaxed and not overworked. And switch sides, bringing the right leg in, twisting out to the ocean. And again, inhale, expand the chest up. Exhale, extend out. Inhale and exhale, twist. In line with your range of motion. Extending out and switching sides. One last time, maybe you can notice now that you can extend a bit more. Your spine is more loosened up. Inhale, expand the chest. Exhale, look and twist. You can look down so that way you can feel the stretch in your neck. Or you can look to the opposite side. And leaning back. This is great for your shoulders. Just play around with yourself, that way you can see what works best for your body. We all keep different types of tensions in our body, so these are all just little modifications that you can use. Twist. So once again, you can play with the head, you can look a bit more down. Or you can look to the opposite way and lean back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. You're doing great. Keep it up. Extending both legs back to the front of the mat. Try to touch your toes and then your knees and your toes and your knees. And just try to stay in this pose for 3 seconds. Making sure you're using your lower back when you're bending. Good. Now extend yourself to the floor, touching your forehead to your knees, pointing your toes, resting your forehead on the ground, extending the left leg out. Breathe into your core, breathe into your heart space, breathe into your throat. Bringing awareness into your torso, into your heart space, and into your throat. Allowing the oxygen flow go through the body, the front of the body. Bring both legs in, touching the forehead to the knees, and switching sides. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Extend the opposite leg back into a savasana. Try to tuck your shoulder blades in, lifting the chest up. And again, think about your intention that you set in the beginning of the practice. What is it that you want to do more of this week or less of? And feel this intention with your whole body, from the top of your head, through your throat, your heart, your stomach, your core, in through the hips and the legs and the feet, the hands and the arms and the shoulders and the head. Feel this intention with your whole body. Feel it. Allow the whole body to be in your awareness. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Stay here for a couple rounds of breath. And slowly start to wiggle your hands and your feet, waking up the body. Roll over to one side, coming up to a forward fold, pedaling out the feet, and then again shifting over to the left side, and then over to the right side. Back to center, lifting up halfway. Coming back down, lift up, and slowly one vertebrae at a time, lifting up, tucking the hips in, leaning back. And thank you for practicing with me, Monica. Until next time.